It's the last day of the week, and before you switch off for the weekend, the time has come to know all the personal finance news that has a direct impact on your pocket and your life. I'm your host Ajay, and let's begin this edition of Money Time with something that has been brewing for quite some time. Very soon, India will bear witness to the pilot of e-rupee for specific uses as RBI is testing digital currencies. The central bank made the announcement through a concept note where it said features and benefits would be added to the e-rupee on a timely basis. Now, you know that the RBI has been opposing cryptocurrencies, calling it a systemic risk. The e-rupee will have complete government backing and guarantee once it is launched. Up next, the season of hiking FD rates continues as Bajaj Finance has hiked FD rates across different tenures. A customer of Bajaj Finance can get an interest rate of as high as 7.75% if he or she opens an FD for 44 months. Adding to that, Bajaj Finance will now pay interest rates in the range of 6.8% to 7.75%. And what's the minimum amount to start an FD? Well, that costs 15,000 rupees. Well, more news on FD rate hikes follows suit, and this time public sector banks also joined the bandwagon. Canara Bank revised interest rates on fixed deposits. For any FD across tenures, interest rates in the range of 3.25% to 7% can be availed. The highest interest rate for an FD is 7% for a tenure of 666 days. Senior citizens will get additional interest rate of 0.5% over and above the applicable rates, but only on FDs of 180 days and above. Another private sector bank in the country, the IDFC First Bank, has also hiked FD rates. The Mumbai-based lender has hiked interest rates on deposits maturing in 750 days to 7.25%. It has also hiked interest rates to 6.5% on deposits made for a period of 501 days to 749 days. And now for some good news for senior citizens. Over 50 million senior citizens above 70 years of age and a large number of differently abled persons could soon expect to get basic banking services at their doorstep. The Finance Ministry's Department of Financial Services is planning to make it mandatory for certain bank branches to offer these services to senior citizens and the differently abled. Doorstep banking services have already been mandated by the Reserve Bank of India, which gave banks two separate deadlines, one 31st December 2017 and again 30th April 2020. In a good news for all those entrepreneurs who dream big and wish to set up their own startups, the Government of India has said that it would guarantee loans sanctioned to such entrepreneurs by select financial institutions. The financial institutions should satisfy eligibility criteria as laid under the Government of India's Credit Guarantee Scheme. The startups can get a loan of up to 10 crore rupees. Entrepreneurs can apply for loans from banks, NBFCs, alternative investment funds and other such financial institutions. It seems RBI is not done with raising rates. According to Edelweiss Asset Management, the Reserve Bank of India may have to hike the repo rate from 6.5% to 6.75%. If food prices don't begin to fall down in the times to come, the AMC has said that in such a scenario, investors may get good returns by investing in bonds which expire in 4 to 7 year period. Hiking of repo rate would also force banks to raise rate of interest on various types of loans, as RBI has mandated banks to tie up rate of interest with external benchmarks like the repo rate. And this one is for all stock investors. Starting today, stock brokerage firms are required to transfer back unused funds of clients lying in their demat accounts to their linked bank account. According to the capital markets regulator SEBI, brokers are required to transfer back funds either on the first Friday of every month or on the first Friday of every quarter. If the stock exchange is closed on Friday, then brokers will have to transfer back funds one day earlier, that is on Thursday. It will be retail investors' choice to opt for quarterly settlement or monthly settlement. As today was first Friday of both the current month and the current quarter, the SEBI's new guidelines are operational from today itself. And now on to Electronic Mart's IPO. Friday was the last date for applying for the 500 crore IPO of Bajaj Group's Electronic Mart. The IPO has received good response from investors. At the time of producing this content, initial share sale process was already oversubscribed more than 21 times. Qualified institutional buyers have gone berserk over the share sale oversubscribing their allotted quota almost 49 times. HNIs too didn't lag behind and oversubscribed their quota by almost 17 times. Retail investors' quota was also oversubscribed more than 7 times. Electronics Mart IPO also witnessed strong demand in the grey market as it was trading at a premium of 35 rupees on the concluding day. Commit the festive season and commit the discounts and cashback offers on a variety of electronic products in the country. Joining the bandwagon, Japanese electronics major Sony India has announced a discount of up to 30% along with a cashback of up to 25,000 rupees on select Bravia television sets. On top of that, customers can also get EMI offers on TV sets, where Sony will pay their first month's EMI of the loan amount. Customers can get a massive discount of up to 54,990 rupees if they buy home theaters along with sound bars under the combo offer. Customers can also get premium noise cancellation headphones worth 14,990 rupees absolutely free on the purchase of select full-frame cameras. And we wrap up today's Money Time with some news from the automobile industry. Now, customers in these cities can also enjoy owning a car without actually having to buy it. Country's largest automobile manufacturer, Maruti Suzuki, has extended the vehicle subscription program to Chandigarh, Ludhiana, Lucknow, Nagpur and Visakhapatnam as well. Customers can own a vehicle of their choice by paying a nominal amount on a monthly basis. They will also get limited amount of fuel. With the addition of these cities, Maruti now provides its vehicle subscription program in 25 cities in the country. That's all for today on Money Time at Money9. For more such news like this, subscribe and keep watching Money9 English's YouTube channel. Do download the Money9 app to watch Company Nama for all the corporate and startup updates this Saturday at 9:30 p.m. This is me Ajay signing off. Take care and happy weekend.